Hello everyone, hello teachers. So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin yung referral program ni 51 Talk. So for all the existing teachers, we all know how our company is really promoting 51 Talk to all the potential teachers to start their teaching journey here at 51 Talk. So we can see that one in our My page, yung mga pakulo, mga pa-perks, pa-incentives, pa-promo, monthly at saka weekly. Starting from the standard referral incentives, Reels video challenges, My Teacher stories na entries, Hall of Famers, Patoki Gems, pa-tablet and all. So, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng strategy ni 51 Talk para talagang encourage yung mga existing teachers natin na mag-promote ng ating company to aspiring applicants who really are potentially good in English and can really be an asset of our company. This is really a great help for everyone kasi kung hindi naman talaga ako nagsimula na mag-refer or nag-advertise nito sa ibang mga teachers o hindi nila nakita yung aking video, siguro yung iba hindi pa rin sila informed na mayroon palang ganitong company. So nakakatulong po yung ina-advertise po natin yung company natin sa mga hindi nakakaalam or nakakakilala kay 51 Talk. Kasi sa hirap ng panahon ngayon, teachers, ang dami-dami talagang naghahanap ng trabaho. Especially ngayon na talagang marami tayong mga graduates in different colleges and universities and they are into job hunting. So by just simply sharing your pictures, sharing your story, some sort of short videos, tapos ilagay natin yung link at saka mayroon lang kayong mga inspiring captions, then that will change the life of a person kasi na-open yung kanyang opportunity for online job. So this is really a help. Referring teachers to 51 Talk is not only a help to the referrer, much more will be the help to the applicant kasi magiging asset siya ng company at the same time, he or she will be earning at the comfort of his home kasi flexible yung time at saka syempre yung applicant will be earning for a living. Diba? Napakaganda na talagang i-share natin yung opportunity kasi marami talaga yung naghahanap ng trabaho ngayon. May it be full-timer or part-timer. So yun po teachers. So let us always think positively that what our company is doing is just for the good of everyone. Bakit naman gagastos si 51 Talk ng mga pa-perks, pakulo at ganito, ganyan. Mayroon pang manpower at saka mayroon pang mga programs and standard incentives for referrers if hindi naman talaga nangangailangan si 51 Talk. It really means one thing, that our company is very much established kasi marami yung mapasok na mga students at saka kailangan siya ng maraming teachers. I hope that from this day on, mag-try naman kayong mag-refer para naman ma-share natin sa lahat. This is really a good company for you to start with because you will be learning a lot of trainings, mayroon tayong teacher support, at saka mayroon talaga tayong mga human trainers. So, the learning experience here is really great kasi kung before, hindi nag-refer yung aking katrabaho, siguro wala ako ngayon, di ba? Let us always think positively na with the advertisement that 51 Talk is doing, it really opened doors to many for them to experience how to start their online job. I hope that I have made myself clear and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you think that I'm the rightful person to refer you to 51 Talk, then just message me or click my link below or just click my link above, or you can directly message me so you can ask questions and then I'll be sending you complete requirements and the steps. I will guide you all throughout your application process. That would be all for today. Thank you very much and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye!